Hello friends, just thought I'd shoot a quick video. I'm going to start to clean out this ant infested mess here. So the ants are trying to take over the backyard. I don't really complain when they're outside of my vehicles, because they keep the population of dead bugs and stuff under control. But 2 supervisors and 3 dogs. The other dog doesn't want to really. Come on. I know you can open. What a mess. So let's get the trash can over here, and some of this can just go straight in there. These, all of this is not moved for about 10 years. This seat is out of this 81 Impala here. You coming over? Joey? Coming over? Gotta watch everything I do, huh? Okay. Let's get some of this other lighter trash out of here. Well, since this is a 4-door seat, it doesn't fold forward. This went here, I think, or on the other side. And one or the other. I gotta save that though. This is the This is the panel for back here. It goes right there, but when I have it on, I can't get the gas door to flip down. So there's something odd about this body work back here, but that's for another day. Well, here's the other one. You can go up there. Come here. Trash. This, I think, goes in front of the windshield. So we will put it in front of the windshield. Sorry for the camera work. I'm trying to do this one-handed. I really don't know why I have styrofoam in this car, but this seat is not cooperating. It's really hard to get in here. Get as much of this stuff out of here as possible. I had a dustpan, but oh, you know what? Here's a dustpan. Just unscrew it here. There we go. I would burn all this, but these little leaves do not burn well, unfortunately. I will be back when a little bit more of this is done. Okay, I cleaned a little bit here. This seat really has to be taken out, but these bolts are just rusted on. You can see the original floors, even though this has been, that was a spider web in my hair. You can see that the original floors, I think they're original, still look pretty good, even though it's been out in the weather for more than 10 years. But I will get the rest of this cleaned out in the next video. Okay, so if you want to see more of this beautiful car, please like, share, subscribe. Actually, subscribe first, then do the rest. I'll see you in the next one.